Hello everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at the fire pit ring for outside, a smokeless fire ring designed with venting holes to enhance airflow and oxygen circulation, ensuring efficient wood combustion and reduced smoke for a more enjoyable outdoor experience. Crafted from high-temperature resistant carbon steel with a matte black powder coating, this fire pit ring is both rust-resistant and durable, capable of withstanding extreme heat and weather conditions while maintaining its shape over time. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, this versatile fire pit liner can be used above ground or embedded in the ground, allowing you to customize your outdoor space to your liking, though remember to add a layer of sand or stone as it doesn't have a bottom. With its easy assembly featuring 8 panels, screws, and a wrench, you'll spend less time setting up and more time enjoying the warmth of a cozy fire, whether in your backyard, at a garden party, or on a camping trip. Measuring 8.5 inches in height, with a 36-inch inner diameter and a 40-inch outer diameter, this fire pit ring is perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for gatherings with family and friends. Ideal for any occasion, from backyard barbecues to holiday celebrations, it promises to be the centerpiece of memorable evenings filled with laughter and dancing flames. So, gather around, relax, and let the fire pit ring transform your outdoor space into a haven of warmth and joy. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.